Hello everyone, and let's explore the KidKraft wooden outdoor sectional set for kids and small pets. Crafted from premium recyclable wood, this furniture provides a safe and durable space for outdoor play. The set includes a comfortable sofa sectional, along with a matching ottoman and a large protective umbrella. These soft cushions tie directly to the base, so they stay in place during every activity. The folding umbrella attaches easily to the back to provide plenty of shade on sunny days. Each seat supports up to 85 pounds and is ideal for children ages 3 and up. This beautiful bare brown and beige set uses sturdy canvas and wood for a perfect backyard retreat. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.